Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. This is the last part for subtopic 4.1, Lewis structure. Okay, now we will learn how to draw the Lewis structure. Okay, we have 5 steps to draw the Lewis structure. First step is count total number of valence electron. Second step, draw skeletal structure. Third step, complete an octet for all terminals atom except hydrogen. Step 4, place any remaining electron on the central atom. And last one, step 5, if the central atom does not have an octet, for double or triple bond by using the lone pairs of electron from the terminals atom. For example, we have NF3 molecule. Step 1, we need to count the electron. Okay, number of valence electron. Nitrogen, 5 valence electron. We need to refer to the periodic table. Okay, refer to the periodic table. So we know that nitrogen has 5 valence electron. Okay, fluorine, 7 valence electron. Okay, nitrogen, 5 valence electron. Fluorine, 7 valence electron, but we need to times with 3 because we have 3 atoms of fluorine. So now the total electron is 26 electron. Okay, next we will draw nitrogen at the center. Okay, nitrogen at the center. And then fluorine, we have 3 fluorine. Fluorine is called terminal atom. Nitrogen is center atom. Okay, step 3, we will draw the bond. Draw the bond. Here we can see that we have 3 bonds. So 3 bond means 6 electron because 1 bond contains 2 electron. So now we have 3 bond means that we have 6 electron. So 26 minus the bonding electron, there is 6 electron. So the left is 20. Now we fill the electron at the terminal atom. So we need to put 6 electron at fluorine because fluorine already has 2 electron. Okay, here we have 2 electron. Okay, we have 2 electron here, so we need to put another 6 electron at fluorine. Same goes to the second fluorine. Second fluorine also has 2 electron, so we need to add another 6 electron. The third fluorine also already has 2 electron, so we need to add with 6 another electron. So now count the electron at fluorine. Okay, 18. 6 times 3 electron. Okay, 6 electron times 3 fluorine. So that is terminal electron. Balance is 2 electron. So that the 2 electron we will draw at the center. Okay, 2 electron we will draw at center. Okay, terminal refer to 3F. Okay, 3F, 3 fluorine. Center refer to nitrogen. So this is the Lewis structure of NF3. Example 2. Carbonate ion CO3 2-. First, calculate the total number of valence electron. Carbon refer to periodic table. Carbon 4 electron valence. Oxygen 6. Okay, carbon 4 valence electron. Oxygen 6 valence electron, but we need to times with 3 because we have 3 oxygen atom. And we have the charge of -2. Okay, -2 is charge. Okay, so we put -2, we put 2 for the charge. Okay, we draw carbon at the center and oxygen at the terminal. Okay, here we can see that we have 3 bonding. Okay, 3 bonding means that we have 6 electron. So 24 minus 6 balance is 18. So 18 we will use the terminal atom, oxygen. Okay, oxygen already has 2 electron. So oxygen add another 6 electron. Okay, now oxygen 6 electron times 3. 18. So the balance is 0. Means that carbon, no electron for carbon. Okay, now let's change. Okay, we change the first oxygen. Okay, we make a double bond at CO. So now it is most stable. This one is more stable because carbon is octet. Okay, now we can see that carbon is octet. This is more stable than the first one. The first one, like this. Okay, this is less stable because carbon is not octet. Not octet. Okay, the second one is better. Okay, second one is better because carbon is octet and this is stable. Okay. Okay, third example, NH4+. Number of valence electron, nitrogen 5, hydrogen 1 times 4. Charge positive 1. Okay, nitrogen 5 valence electron, hydrogen 1 valence electron, but we need to times with 4. Okay, charge is positive 1. Charge. So positive 1 means it donates electron. So that's why we use minus because it means donate electron. Okay, total is 8. So we put nitrogen at the center and hydrogen at the terminal. Okay, we have 4 hydrogen. Okay, then we calculate the bonding. Bonding, we have 4 bond, means that we have 8 electron. So balance is 0. So this is the Lewis structure. And we can see that the center, that is nitrogen, is octet. So the compound is stable. Okay, next example, SF4. Sulfur 6, fluorine 7 times 4. Total is 34. We put sulfur at the center and fluorine at the terminal. Okay, first we calculate the bond electron. The bonding electron is 8. 2 times 4. Okay, bonding is 8. Minus with electron at the terminal, at the fluorine. Okay, fluorine, we have fluorine here. Okay, we have fluorine here. Okay, 6. Okay, then minus with 2 at the center. Okay, center we have 2, so the balance is 0. Now we can see that sulfur at the center has 10 electron. Okay, but this is stable. You will learn further about this. Okay, next example is IF2 minus. Iodine valence is 7, fluorine 7 times 2, and the charge 1. Okay, charge negative 1. Means that it accept 1 electron. So the total of electron is 22. Okay, iodine at the center and fluorine at the terminal. Okay, 2 bonding means 4 electron. Fluorine, we need to add another 6 electron to achieve octet. So now the balance is 6 electron. So 6 we will put at the center. Okay, 6 we will put at the center. Now we can see that center has 10 electron at center. But this is stable. Why it is stable? You will learn about this further in the next chapter. Exception to octet rule. We have incomplete octet, expanded octet, and odd number electron. Certain atoms, for example, beryllium, boron, and aluminium, cannot achieve octet. Octet means 8 electron. Incomplete means it cannot achieve 8 electron. Elements in group 2 and 13, period 2 and 3, less metallic character. Do not donate electron but share electron. For example, BF3. Okay, incomplete means less than 8 electron. Okay, expanded octet, elements from period 3 onwards may have more than 8 valence electron in their compound. Expanded means more than 8 electron. This is due to the existence of empty d orbital that can be used in bonding. Central atoms may have 10 or 12 valence electron. For example, PCl5. Okay, odd number electron. This is due to the presence of odd number of electron around the center atom. Odd number electron is ganjil. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 electron. For example, NO. Okay, incomplete octet. Draw the Lewis structure of BF3 molecule. Okay, boron 3 valence electron, fluorine 7 times 3, 21. Total is 24. We put boron at the center and fluorine at the terminal. 24 minus 6. 6 is 3 bonding. 3 bonding means 6 electron. So, fluorine, we put another 6 electron at each fluorine. So now we have 18 at the terminal. And then, there is no more electron. Okay, no more electron means we can see that boron has 6 electron at center. This is called incomplete octet. Okay, less than 8 electron. Okay, less than 8 electron. Okay, for expanded octet, for example, PF5, phosphorus 5, chlorine 7 times 5. Total is 40. Okay, phosphorus at the center, chlorine at the terminal. Okay, we can see that we have 5 bonding, means that we have 10 electron. 10 electron bonding. Then we put another 6 electron for each chlorine to achieve octet. So now chlorine achieve octet. Okay, 30 electron at the terminal and no more electron. So now look at the center. 10 electron at center. This is more than 8 electron. This is called expanded octet. PCl5 is stable with 10 electrons in valence shell surrounding its center atom. Okay, odd number electron. Example, NO2, nitrogen 5, oxygen 6 times 2, total 17. Okay, the center atom is nitrogen and the terminal is oxygen. Okay, 2 bonding means 4 electron. Okay, then put another 6 electron at the oxygen to make oxygen octet. Okay, so now the balance is 1 electron. 1 electron we will put at the center. Okay, now we can see that center has 5 electron at center. This is called odd number.